In the last video, I talked about the Streamplify mic, but today we have the Streamplify cam. Streamplify was kind enough to send us this camera for free for a review, so I'm going to be checking it out today. It is a 1080p camera, 60 FPS, and it has a 90-degree field of view, which is super awesome, and it has the autofocus, of course. So we're going to take a look into the camera, test it out against mine, and see how well it actually performs. If you guys don't already know, I do stream on Twitch 3 days a week. Link is down in the description below. Now let's get into the Streamplify cam and let's check it out. First things first, obviously we get the camera itself. As you can see right here, it does look pretty sick. It actually tilts full 360. So it can go full 360, it can go up, down, and it has this this protection right here as well for, you know, for the privacy sake. Pretty sick. I actually like that a lot. A lot of webcams don't really have that. And I feel like with nowadays, with all the privacy stuff, having something like this super simple mechanism does help a lot. What is awesome about Streamplify and what I actually like the most is that they give you everything, like literally everything. You even get a tripod included for the webcam itself. You know how we said that you get a tripod for the microphone in the last video? Well, you get a tripod for the camera as well. So you can use this, you know, somewhere in the side, or even use it as like a vlogging kind of tripod for like a smaller camera if you have something like that. You don't have to use it for that webcam specifically, but it's pretty cool, pretty easy, pretty simple. Nothing too, you know, high quality, obviously, for the price, but still, it is gonna get the job done. It has the ball head, so you can move the ball head up and down and all of that around. And honestly, for the price, this is pretty sick. I wouldn't even expect the brand to give me the tripod with the webcam, but here you go. Streamplify does that, so why not? Right, now we're gonna plug the camera in and we're gonna test it out against my camera. This is not really gonna be the best comparison as I'm using a DSLR camera. This is actually a mirrorless Sony camera. It is around $4,000, so it is very pricey, way too overkill for videos and streaming. So, you know, it's not gonna be the best comparison, but at least we're gonna see how well the colors are out of the box, and then we're gonna adjust the colors and see how well we can do it in OBS. Right, so this is how the camera looks out of the box. It actually is pretty sick. It has this like white dot on the camera that indicates the camera is on and it's in use. As you can see, the colors are a little bit washed and it's a little bit overexposed, especially over here on my forehead and over here. Like the blue is not really blue, but with a simple adjustment, let's check it out and let's see how well it's gonna look. Here, with a little bit of adjustment, you can see that I did fix a little bit of the color leak and the lights. It is a little bit, you know, too overexposed on my forehead still. If I change this a little bit, the colors do get too dark. I mean, this is a pretty extreme, you know, situation with my room and the lights. Like, they're very extreme, very hard to balance because it's, you know, a closed room. It's like a studio. So, you know, that's why my expensive camera does a good job with it. But something, you know, that is a little bit on the budget side doesn't really do the greatest job, obviously. But still, if we do it like -15, it does look okay. This is gonna be a bit hard to adjust, but so far, I think it looks pretty good. And overall, for the price and for what you get, I think this is a pretty good budget camera that can, you know, compare it to all these other brands and can do a good job for the price. So let's talk about the price. The price of this webcam is 60 euros. I think that's pretty affordable and pretty good, especially for what you get in the box. It is a 1080p 60 camera, full autofocus. As you can see, it has a pretty good white balance as well. I mean, obviously this is fine-tuned on my webcam, and then this one up there, it does a good job, honestly. Like, I cannot complain. It does a pretty good job for the price itself. Like I said, Streamplify did send me this product for free, but they did not pay me to say any of this stuff. This is my fully honest review. And as I said, the camera is good. I highly recommend it for something like that. For the budget itself, it's pretty damn good. If you guys want to check out my Streamplify mic review, make sure to click it right over here. And if you did like this video, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out and have a good one. Bye-bye.